Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change modes in Bumble. Now let's begin. I'm simply gonna open up the Bumble application right here. Do note that I have already logged into my account. Well, here's Bumble. For simplicity, I'm simply gonna go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom left, and something like this will open up. Well, from here, you can go to the profile settings and such. You can also subscribe to Premium, but right now, we simply want to go to Settings. At the top right, here's a gear-like icon, simply click on it, then this will pop up. Well, there are lots of settings as you can see, but right now, we simply want to change our mode. In the top, you'll find a button called as Choose Mode. Simply click on it, then this will open up. Well, there are two options, BFF and Date. You can choose either one. For now, I'm gonna choose BFF and simply hit on Continue with BFF, the buttons at the bottom. Well guys, that's it. Changing mode in Bumble is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.